Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Happy smiling. Yes. Thanks for all your support. Thank you so much. Before I get into 100% cashback offer details and review, let me speak of this Urban Company. Urban Company is an online store that provides services at your doorsteps by its expert technicians in 2 hours of time after you book their services on Urban Clap app. Mostly they render services that are in use in our day-to-day life. And these services are hygienic, safe, and most important is they are affordable. So you need not run to and fro searching for services such as plumbing, painting, or any other service. Happily, you can be home and book your services on Urban Company because Urban Company is trustworthy and the response is user friendly. So you can give it a try. So as we did. So here is our first experience of booking services on Urban Clap for the first time. We have booked services for refrigerator repairs as we have got a cooling issue with the refrigerator. So the person or the professional technician is sent by Urban Clap home and he is getting the things done here. That means he is repairing the refrigerator. He said the fan motor was not working and he replaced with a new one. We have paid 2,700 rupees along with membership fees. Let me tell you what is this membership. You've got two plans in this membership, 6 months plan and 12 months plan. If you've got any of these two plans paid for, you'll be getting 100% cashback service. That means if you're getting any issues after being repairs done by the technician, again you can contact them. They will come home again and render the services. So whenever you're booking services or Urban Company, you include 6 months or 12 months membership as well and book your services. First time when the technician has come home and repaired the refrigerator, it's working well for say about 7 days and then it started with the cooling issue again. We have contacted Urban Clap and they sent the technician again home and we got the refrigerator repaired. This happened 2 to 3 times and finally refrigerator is working well and we are happy. Now I'll tell you how you can get 100% cashback on your first order. You just go to my description box and click on the link as shown in the picture. Then you get the app from the Google Play Store. Log in with your phone number, enable location, and you see a message pop up as 300 rupees credited to your wallet. Now you can click on account and click on my wallet. You see here 300 rupees that has been added in your wallet. But you can get this reward only when you log in with the link that I have told earlier. And please note, this reward expires in 4 weeks of time. You have UC rewards daily. You can check out by clicking on that as shown in the picture. Now coming to the app. This is the home screen that appears after you log in. You've got different types of services as shown in the picture. You've got home cleaning, spa for women, hair cutting, cleaning and pest control, plumbing, painting, electrical works, and so on. If you want any particular service, you can give in the search tab. As shown in the picture, I have given here refrigerator repairs. Now we have got the options as refrigerator video consult or checkup. You go for checkup. You have the options here as single door, double door, or side-by-side door. Have clicked here as single door. Now you can click on the add button depending on the issue you are facing. For instance, you can select less cooling, noise issues, or any other you are facing. I have added here less cooling option and set done. Then you can go to view cart. You can see here with membership, without membership. I already said earlier, it is better that you take 6 months membership at least, because if you have any issue after getting repaired, you can contact Urban Company within 6 months of time to get your services. You've got 100% money back guarantee. On this, as shown in the picture, if you don't want any membership, you can click on no, I will pay full price. Next, say proceed, as shown in the picture. Now you can select coupons and offers to get more discount. Now you can see the price of a single door refrigerator checkup, which is 160 rupees plus membership if you want 299 rupees. You click on add address and slot, and that's it, done. In this way, you can book your services on Urban Company. Thanks for watching. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Do subscribe. Have a good day. Keep smiling.